everybody, today we're going to compare two navigation problems that might seem almost identical at first, but they lead to two very different ideas in graph theory. The first robot is a vacuum robot. Its job is to clean every hallway in the building. Notice the robot is concerned with the hallways, not the offices themselves. It may pass through the same office multiple times if it's necessary, but each hallway should be cleaned exactly once. The challenge isn't visiting every room, the challenge is covering every hallway. Graph theory gives us a simple way to represent this building. Each office becomes a vertex, each hallway becomes an edge. Now the robot vacuum's goal becomes easier to describe. Instead of cleaning every hallway, we say it must traverse every edge exactly once. This is called an Euler path. If the robot finishes where it started, we call that an Euler circuit. The key to remember is that an Euler path travels along every edge exactly once. An Euler circuit is an Euler path that begins and ends at the same vertex. In both cases, every edge is used exactly once and vertices may be revisited. Our second scenario is a delivery robot. Imagine it's later in the day and a delivery robot has one package for every office. This robot doesn't care about cleaning hallways. Its goal is to deliver to every office exactly one time. In this scenario, we want to concentrate on the destination, not the edges. We call this a Hamilton or Hamiltonian path and circuit, and just expect circuit and cycle to be used interchangeably when you talk about Hamiltonian. A Hamilton path is a path that visits every vertex exactly once. A Hamilton cycle or Hamilton circuit is a Hamilton path that returns to its starting vertex. The emphasis here is on vertices. Every vertex has to be visited exactly once. It's perfectly okay if some edges are skipped. So when we look at Euler versus Hamilton, here are the key elements that you need to focus on. Euler is all about edges. So anytime we talk about an Euler path or circuit, we want to use all edges. Hamilton is about vertices. So anytime we talk about a Hamilton path or cycle, we want to make sure we use all the vertices without repetition. So with Euler, vertices can repeat, edges cannot. With Hamilton, vertices cannot repeat and not all edges need to be used. As we continue through this module, you'll learn how to determine whether a graph contains an Euler path or circuit and whether it contains a Hamilton path or circuit. Even though these problems look similar, they have very different rules and different ways of being solved. So remember this simple idea. Euler is about edges, Hamilton is about vertices, the graphs stay the same, only the mission changes.